Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video is gonna be a skincare vlog. I wanted to make this video for so long but कभी ना कुछ हो जाता है और मैं नहीं बना पाती हूँ, तो मुझे लगा कि आज तो बनाना ही चाहिए. So yeah, I'm gonna be sharing all my skincare routine and also like some of the things I have learned about skincare over the years. So yeah, and also 40% of my audience are male, I know that, so do not dare to skip this video because guys also need skincare as much as girls. Okay, आप लोगों को भी skincare करना चाहिए. It is very important. And I'm so sorry if I talk a lot in this video. When I talk about skincare, I become very enthusiastic, so I'm so sorry for that. So yeah, let's start. I'm gonna tie my hair. So let's start. Sun is coming right in my face, but anyways, so the first thing that I'm gonna start with is my cleanser. So this is the cleanser I use. It's a Nova Pore Deep Cleansing Foam. So good, so hydrating. Me personally, I always struggle with finding a good cleanser because I personally have a very dry skin. So जब मैं dry skin के लिए कोई face wash लेती हूँ तो it's like always like not foamy enough for me. I like very foamy face wash and वो foamy नहीं होता है, and then the it leaves with a little bit of product on your face. Even if you wash it doesn't go, it's slippery and it's like I don't like it. And फिर मैं जब foamy cleanser लेती हूँ, it's like so dry for my skin, so I have never found a good balance. This face wash gives all those foam and you feel like it's cleansing deep under your pores and you feel so fresh, yet it does not strip away your natural oils. So as you can see, मैंने कुछ भी नहीं लगाया अभी, मैंने just face wash किया है, and you can see like the hydration is still there after my face wash. The second thing I do, toning. So this is the toner I use. It's the Numbuzin number 3 toner. So good. It is an holy grail for dry skin people because like ये ना watery toner नहीं है. This is like a serum-y kind of texture. I'll just show you guys so that you can see. It's very hydrating. So people always think that toner इतना important नहीं है when it comes to skincare. But let me tell you, toner is very important. It's the first thing that you should use and it really helps with like your skin texture. And यहाँ पे अगर आपका pores है and blackheads है or and all these things, it really helps. And also like it tightens your skin. It's serum-y kind of texture, so I feel like it will clog your pores if you are a oily skin person. Basically when आप toner use करना चाहते हो तो it's very important to know your skin type. So अगर आप dry skin person हो so always go for a hydrating toner. If you are a oily skin person then always go for watery toner. अगर आपको watery toner के बारे में जानना है तो I'll put it in the link in the description, watery toner and this toner. After the toner, the second thing that I do in my skincare is applying niacinamide. I am obsessed with this niacinamide. It's from Minimalist and it's 5% niacinamide. So this was the first skincare I have ever used. I think in my first or second year. उस समय packaging भी different हुआ करता था niacinamide का, इस Minimalist का. That time it used to come with aloe vera juice and the packaging was in white packaging. I'm so glad they changed it to black because ये actives है, so इसको darker cool place में रखना चाहिए and ये oxidize हो जाता है, तो it's better if they put it in darker packaging. So this is really good. And I really wanna talk about the skincare and all my experiences जो भी मैंने over the years मैंने देखा है अपनी face पे. So ये मैं बहुत religiously use करती थी from the beginning. Okay, so I think last year मैं ना skincare कर रही थी and I just saw in the mirror and I saw that I used to have a big scar over here, like deep scar. Okay, I think you can see a little bit here. It's like a big scar over here and it was always there from like childhood. Okay, it was there. So I just saw that it's gone, like literally gone, and I was like so shocked because आई थिंक ये धीरे 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 करके लाइट होता गया एंड फेड होता गया, तो मैंने कभी नोटिस भी नहीं किया. मैंने लास्ट ईयर नोटिस किया दैट इट्स कम्प्लीटली गॉन नाउ. इफ़ माई ओल्ड फ्रेंड्स लाइक माई स्कूल फ्रेंड्स आर वॉचिंग, आई थिंक दे विल नो व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. ये बहुत विजिबल था. इट वॉज अ वेरी डार्क लाइक स्क्रैच का मार्क था यहाँ पे. अभी भी बिल्कुल लाइट सा है. आई थिंक यू कैन सी हियर. So yeah, and I know it fade away with this serum because I know that this is the only serum I was using very religiously for a very long time. Skincare is something that is like the effects, it won't show like एक महीने में, 2 महीने में and 1-2 हफ्ते में. It's like you have to be very consistent. So yeah, it fade away my scar, guys. It's like the only active that goes with other actives. आप इसको अगर विटामिन सी के साथ यूज़ करोगे तो ये विटामिन सी का इफेक्ट बूस्ट करेगा. आप इसको रेटिनॉल के साथ यूज़ करोगे. बाय द वे, रेटिनॉल इज एंड ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड, दीज आर वेरी हार्श एक्टिव्स. सो ये आप अगर विटामिन सी या अदर एक्टिव्स के साथ यूज़ करते हो तो it will just irritate your skin. But this is one active that you can use with every other actives and it will boost the other actives का effect. And always start with a less percentage. And आपने कभी अगर actives use नहीं किया है, so niacinamide आप अगर जब first use करोगे, you'll get bumps and you get pimples. And then just give it a week. उसके बाद it will just let it settle on your face and you will see the result. And आप अगर अभी just skincare use कर रहे हो and you're very confused with like what kind of brand you wanna go, so always go for minimalist, I would say. अलग skincare brands भी use करके देखा मैंने when it comes to niacinamide, but this is the best product and they are very clean brand. They are very open about what ingredient they put on their serum and like skincare. So yeah, go for minimalist, I would say. Price is very good and they have some amazing like skincare product. This is my holy grail number 2. The third thing that I use is ta-da, vitamin C from Klairs. And I have tried vitamin C from all the other brands, but I always come back to this serum from Klairs. So vitamin C is something that brightens your face, it fades away pigmentation, and it's also really good for inflammation on your face, any kind of redness, dark spots. So उसके लिए vitamin C बहुत अच्छा है. So what I see the changes in my face is that I used to have this how would I say, like a red inflammation. मैं नेट पे सर्च करके आपको पिक्चर्स कहीं स्क्रीन पे डाल दूँगी तो आपको पता चलेगा कि किस के बारे में मैं बात कर रही हूँ. तो आई सडनली स्टार्टेड हैविंग दोज इन्फ्लेमेशन. आई थिंक 7-8 मंथ्स पहले मैंने ये सीरम यूज़ करना उस वक्त बंद कर दिया था. मैं दूसरा विटामिन सी यूज़ कर रही थी. एंड देन व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग दिस, इट वेंट अवे एंड वो रेडनेस की वजह से मुझे ना ब्लश भी लगाने का मन नहीं करता था बिल्कुल भी. सो आई वॉज रियली स्ट्रगलिंग विद दैट. एंड ऑल्सो लाइक pores over here. I think it's because of the dryness on my face. I'm gonna put the picture somewhere here so that you know what I'm talking about. So that open pores started to appear, and then when I started using this serum again, it's gone and the inflammation is gone. And I think it really helped me with my pigmentation. I mean, I personally, to be very very honest with you, I don't have a bad skin. मेरा कभी पिंपल नहीं होता है. तो I cannot say like it will help with pimples and this and that, but yeah, for pigmentation this is really really good. It made me be very confident in my bare face. मैं बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ अपनी बेयर फेस में. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता कि आई नीड टू डू मेकअप एंड दिस एंड दैट टू हाइड एनीथिंग ऑन माई फेस. एंड आई थिंक this helped me a lot because I used to have a little bit of like pigmentation over here, like thoda darker areas, so it really helped me with that. That patchy hyperpigmentation, this will all go away if you use vitamin C religiously. Overnight kuch nahi hota. So after this, Nimbuzin 3 serum. Smoothing के लिए it's very good for your face. Like आपको अगर वो rough texture वाला skin है आपका and you wanna make it like smoother, then definitely go for it. But I wouldn't be purchasing this again. मैं wait कर रही हूँ उसका ख़त्म होने का so that I can go for the I think the collagen 73% pudding something from Nimbuzin. I'm gonna go with that one. ये finish होते ही अभी थोड़ा बचा है. So yeah, I'm still using it. After this serum, I did not talk much about this specific serum because I don't see that much of a difference. Yes, it did help me with skin texture, I would say, but nothing more than that. Also gonna talk about this Snail Mucin essence. I don't know about other people's experience. Some people say like it really helped them, but for me it did not do anything. मेरे लिए ये कुछ भी नहीं किया है. मेरा स्किन जैसे था वैसा ही है. अभी मैं इसको नहीं अप्लाई करने वाली हूँ. मैंने इसको बंद कर दिया अप्लाई करना. So basically like आप इसको ऐसे अप्लाई करने के बाद ना इट ड्राइज ऑन योर स्किन. फर्स्ट बॉटल मैंने यूज़ किया, मुझे लगा कि फर्स्ट बॉटल है, सेकेंड बॉटल करके देखती हूँ. यू नो, बी कंसिस्टेंट एज आई ऑलवेज से. मैंने सेकेंड बॉटल भी परचेज़ किया बट आई डिड नॉट सी एनी रिजल्ट, to be very honest with you. So I would say it's very overhyped, overpriced, not worth it for me. So the next thing that I use is moisturizer. I think I have talked a lot about how my skin is so dry. It was recommended by my dermatologist. उसने मुझे एक sunscreen भी suggest kiya tha that I used. I just finished it. It was so good. I'm gonna put it in the screen. And this one, and price is also really good. It's under 500 I think, and search it on Amazon also, you'll get it. And आप pharmacy से भी ले सकते हो. This is my second tube by the way, and अभी winter शुरू होने के बाद तो I'll be using it every night, every day. So yeah, it's really good. It's called Moise. It's a face and body lotion, but I use it in face. So hydrating. So this is what I use, but मैं अभी use नहीं करूँगी because I don't need it right now, I feel like. So after that, the last step of your skincare should be sunscreen. So sunscreen is very important guys, and always reapply your sunscreen. आप जितना भी expensive sunscreen use करो, वो सनस्क्रीन 2 और 3 आवर्स से ज़्यादा काम नहीं करेगा फेस में. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू रीअप्लाई योर सनस्क्रीन. आप अगर घर पे भी होते हो तो अप्लाई सनस्क्रीन, मेक इट एज अ रूटीन. एज यू कैन सी, घर पे भी यू गेट लाइक द सनलाइट, राइट? सो दिस UV rays is not good for your skin, and even in like even if it's raining, just apply sunscreen because rays, sun rays is still there. That's why it's bright outside, right? That rays is not good for your face. और जब मैं बोलती हूँ ये तो बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि you talk so much about sunscreen, I don't think this work and this and that, but trust me, and especially if you're a guy and you play football and stuff, you see a little bit of like black spots on your face, like pigmentation आ रहे हैं and आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा वो कहाँ से आ रहा है. It is all because of the sun. The sun is the main cause of all the skincare problems. Melasma, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, everything come from sun. And wrinkles is, you'll age like anything. So don't forget your sunscreen, okay? So the sunscreen that I use is this is from Isntree, and sunscreen use करते हो, apply the 3-finger rule where you apply sunscreen on your fingers like this. And ये तो फिर भी कम है, मैं इससे भी ज़्यादा अप्लाई करती हूँ. Make sure that it's applied everywhere on your face, and never forget your skincare on your eyelids, your upper lips, your neck. These are the areas that shows the signs of aging very fast, okay? And never apply your serum or your cream or your sunscreen on your palm. When you apply it on your palm, our palm absorb everything 10x faster. So आप यहाँ पे कुछ भी लगाओगे, ऐसा करोगे, कुछ भी नहीं जाएगा फेस पे, ये पूरा palm absorb कर लेगा. So make sure you apply everything on your fingers and apply it like this. And if the sunscreen is watery, suppose apply it directly on your face like that. But I would say this sunscreen and this sunscreen, Dr. Shades ceramide and vitamin C sunscreen, these two works the same. These two, like, the prices are so different. ये है 1100 or 1200 something का, and this one is under 500 guys. बहुत प्राइस में डिफरेंस है, but these two works the same. So actually मैं ना ये पहले यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ, तो इस बार मैं सनस्टिक मंगाने वाली थी, मैंने गलती से ये मंगा लिया. But this one I have used and it's so good. I've been using it. अब मैं इसे भी लगाकर आपको दिखाती हूँ so that you know what I'm talking about. This is the texture. It does not leave any white cast on your face. It's very hydrating. It's so good and makes your face so glowy. Look at this. So yeah, skincare doesn't have to be very expensive all the time, and these two are the proof of it. You should definitely go for this. You can go for this also. Ingredients भी same ही है, इसमें भी hyaluronic acid है, इसमें भी है. And जब आप ये वाला परचेज करोगे, don't go for the haldi and hyaluronic one. Go for the ceramide and vitamin C one. Okay, this is the one I'm talking about, not the other one. They have a multiple different sunscreen, but ceramide and vitamin C, go for this one. And if you're wondering where to get all this skincare product from, I'm gonna put everything on the link in the description, so you can just go and click the link and just purchase it. So yeah guys, my camera is tilted. I think I don't know what is going on, but yeah, I think this is it for my skincare vlog. This is all I used guys, and sun is right in my face now. It looks so nice. I look so glowy. I should have filmed now only because the lighting is so good. So annoying, but anyways. So yeah, आपको इतना जो भी मैंने किया है स्किन केयर रूटीन फॉलो करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Just go with the 4 skincare routine. That is a good cleanser. And उसके बाद toner if you want, and if it's too much for you, skip that. Go for a niacinamide. Vitamin C don't skip. Use vitamin C. Go for a moisturizer and a good sunscreen, and always reapply your sunscreen. This is it for my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.